Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the easiest way to start dropshipping from scratch, and it's that easy. You can do all of this from your phone. It genuinely is that simple. Now I'm not going to be teaching you the usual stuff that you see on YouTube, which is you go over to AliExpress and then you create a Shopify store and import pictures and all this stuff, because it takes a long time and also it's very costly. Instead, I'm going to share with you this method, and this is that simple that my 8-year-old son actually went ahead and set up his own online dropshipping site. And let me show you this now, okay? This is his actual own website, and you can see here it's all around gaming. So this is his URL up here, this is his website, and I think you'll agree it looks pretty good. Now here's a cool thing. What if I told you this website here probably took from start to finish about an hour to get all of this done? So you can see on here it all looks professional, yet we didn't need to code this, we didn't need to import pictures or pricing or anything. It was pretty much all done for us. We just had to decide on the category. Well, we didn't even have to decide on the categories, we just had to decide on the products. So if we're going to gaming, for example, I'll show you what it looks like in here. So you can see, look, I mean, it looks awesome, doesn't it? It looks awesome. It's really simple. And if we go into any of these listings here, I'll show you what it looks like inside of one as well. So look, we've got all of the images. We also have reviews, which is all done automatically for us. We've got the add to cart, and look, people can pay via PayPal and many more. And then we've got images on here. We've got descriptions. It just looks great. And look, we've also got reviews, and these are legitimate reviews. They're not made up ones or anything like that. It's all done automatically. Simple, easy, and it works fast. So how do we do this? How can we get all this up and running today in literally within a couple of hours? So the resource for this is this one over here, and I'll drop a link to this below for you. It is called Alidropship. Now, over on this website here, you can go ahead and create, look, you can have these guys create a store for you. You can get an exact copy of a successful store, or you can build your own. Now, for this, we literally went with this one here, get an exact copy of a successful store. And you can see here, this is a top performing store without any effort. There's proven bestsellers in high demand niches. And it also, this is a cool feature, comes with ready to use marketing campaigns, and I'll show you that as well. Now this website over here, they've been around for a number of years, and they've also got on here, I mean, look, how much can you make with dropshipping? There's a dropshipping calculator on here. So you can play around with this, you can make it, you can start seeing the profit margins over here. So, but I mean, look, don't get too carried away with this, because, anyone can do this. So we'll come down here, and basically it shows you how all of this works. Now the pricing on here, look, you can get a plugin, and this is a one-time payment of $89, so it's a hell of a lot cheaper than Shopify. You can also have, look, you can get a replica of a booming store, which is a one-time payment of $300, and then there's also this here, look, get a done-for-you dropshipping store, $300. It's a one-time payment. They will do everything for you. Now also over on this website here, they also have a blog with success stories. So you can go ahead and have a read of this, of other people who have started with this company here, and literally just read the story. So like this guy here, look, a newbie's experience. What's that? How Ruslan started a business in Cyprus. We've got someone from the Ukraine here, Australia. Look, there's lots on here. And if you go, I mean, look at this, how Sam went from 0 to 72,000 in sales in 6 months, starting this business with no experience. The reason why I like this website and I use and recommend it is they will give you all of the tools and the resources to get this up and running. Not only will they give you that, using the link down below, they've gone ahead and give me a package whereby whichever deal that you sign up with, they will give you PDFs for existing products which are doing very well over on Facebook. They'll show you how to run paid ads, and they'll also show you lots of other ways. But let me come into this and I'll show you this. So let's go to this one here, look. A premium store. This is great because you can literally pick a niche and it'll all be done for you. So look, come down here, look, all you need for a successful start, it goes over the website, the products, and also ads. So, you don't have to do ads, but they will show you and give you the tools to do this correctly. And how it works, look, choose a store you like, you get an exact copy, upload the store, and then follow our tips and start making money. And if you scroll down here, look, you can see these are all stores which are available and are up and running, and you can get ones like this one here. Look, a car accessories store that's making over $500,000 per month, and this is the profit. It's $300. We've got this one here. Look, mum and baby essential store. It's $49,000 profit, and you can get an exact replica for $300. So you can go through and pick any one of these done for you stores. So you can see on here, look, gaming store. This gaming store is the one that we literally picked. So if I click on here, it opens, it will tell you a bit more about this. So scroll down here, you can find out all the information about this. Come further on the page, it walks you through how it works, what's included. Look, easy, and when I say easy for newbies, it's incredibly easy. I let my son go ahead and do this. I watched over the shoulder whilst he was doing this. But what happens is, these guys create everything for you. It's all done, it's all optimized, it's basically ready to go. They recommend products for you, and then you simply go through the products and you click on import. And look, let me show you this, because I actually went ahead and go into this dropshipping folder here, importing products 1. This is how simple it was. So over here, look, number of products, we selected 109 products to import. At the time there was 4, and to be imported was 105. And this is the process. Look, it brings in all of the images, it brings in the customer reviews for this, it brings in the prices and everything else. Now this over here is what it looks like inside of your store, and you can control the whole business from here. You can see products on your website, you can see customers on here, you can see how much they've spent, and lots more stuff. The other cool thing about this website here as well is, if I come into, they give you this. So this is basically a PDF of walking you through, how to manage your store. And again, scroll further on the page here, look, there is support. So, if you need any more help with this, there's a dropship base, there's a knowledge base. There's also the support email. Come further on, let me get rid of this. Come further on the page. We have also got, look, let's have a look inside of your store. Basically, they just walk you through the whole process. Come down here, look, you can see as a snapshot your orders for the day, revenue, visitors to your website, and lots more. They walk you through this process of importing all of the different products. So you see here, this is how it looks, and you can search for things via a keyword and where it's where shipping's available, and you just click on import, or you can simply import all of the products all at once. It's simple, it's easy, and why I like this is it looks professional, but it's not like Shopify where you have an ongoing fee to not just Shopify but different plugins and things. It's a one-time payment, and it's up and running, and it comes with a support. So you get this PDF here. The other thing what you get as well, which is pretty awesome, if I go into this here, see this here, winning products and targeting. They also give you a Facebook marketing strategy. But if I go into this here, winning products and targeting, this again is another PDF. If I come in here, look, you can see they go through here. Look, we've tested dozens of products and have chosen the best ones for your Facebook advertising campaigns. So not only will they help you get the store, set it up and import it, if you want to start copying what's working already online, look, they will share with you products. They will give you the ad creatives for this. They will show the audience who they recommend that you get this in front of. They go through the demographics, they go through recommended placements on this, and they also go through ad categories, and they show you, look at this here, they show you Facebook posts which are already online making money, and they show you all of this, and they show you how to do retargeting with this. It's absolutely awesome, it really is. So if I come back over here, this is over on the website. So you can go with, as I've mentioned, you can go with an established store. You can have a custom store built for you. And where is this one here? Established stores for sale. So you can even buy a store which someone's already got up and running, and buy one yourself. I mean, look at this one. I mean these do sell, as you can see here. This one has sold, but you can see like this one here. This is up and running, and currently it's making, well, it's sales, not profit. It's got sales of over $8,000 a month. We've got this one here. This one here has sold, but you can go through and buy people who have literally set this up and they're flipping it essentially. So you can do this. So look, there's lots of stuff available on here. Have a look at the success stories and everything, but you just go over to Start Now, and you can either get the premium store done for you, you can have a custom store, you can even buy an existing one. But in terms of the stores and the websites, They look incredibly well. They are professional, aren't they? It just looks absolutely awesome. It isn't hard to do this at all. It's a one-time payment, and they give you all of the resources that you need to start making money online. So you're not having to, go through setting up a dropshipping store with Shopify and work all of that out and integrating payments and all that sort of stuff. This is all done in one place for you. Simple, easy, and available worldwide. So the link is down below for you. But look, if you have any comments or questions, let me know. But overall, dropshipping is a simple and an easy way to make money online. So if you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.